Our next story is from the Aesop Fables. The story is that of the ant and the bird. I always love a good story. On the banks of a flowing river was a giant oak tree. On the tree lived a happy and friendly peacock. It was afternoon and the peacock jumped from one branch to the other, flapping his beautiful feathers and chirping away merrily. All of a sudden, his eyes fell on a little ant far below. The ant had come to the river to drink some water. The ant was thirsty. As she was about to drink the water, the ant slipped and was carried away by the fast-moving water. The ant tried to keep herself floating, but alas, the ant did not know how to swim. The peacock saw her from the branch above. He plucked a leaf from his tree and let it fall into the water very close to the ant. The peacock shouted, "My friend, climb onto the leaf, then you will not drown. You will be safe." The ant climbed onto the leaf and floated safely to the bank. The ant was very grateful to the peacock and went away. Days passed by and the ant lived happily in the bark of the same tree. One day, a hunter came near the tree and saw the beautiful peacock. "Ooh, what a beautiful bird! I love this peacock. Look how beautiful his feathers are. I want to take this bird home." The hunter made plans to catch the peacock. He started to climb the tree very quietly. The ant saw the hunter and realized what his plans were. He realized that his good friend the peacock was in danger. So the ant quietly went behind the hunter and bit his leg. "Ouch!" cried the hunter and fell down on the ground with pain. When the peacock heard the noise, it flew away. "Thank you, kind ant," cooed the peacock. And the ant was very happy. The ant and the peacock remained the best of friends ever after. So children, did you like that story? One good help always deserves another. The peacock helped the ant when the ant was in trouble. The ant repaid the peacock's kindness later on by saving his life. We should always remember the good things that others do to us.